Let's dive into the major scale foundation. It's literally the secret framework behind all your favorite music.
Ever wonder what links Beethoven to today's viral pop hits? Well, it all comes down to one universal formula.
That formula? Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. This exact pattern governs almost everything we listen to.
A whole step jumps 2 half steps. A half step? That's the smallest possible distance in Western music.
Take C major. Those required half steps naturally fall perfectly into place between E and F and B and C.
But start on G, and the math changes. We gotta raise F to F sharp to force that half-step resolution.
Same deal, starting on F. We actually have to lower the B to B flat just to preserve that formula.
Check out the dominant fifth. It creates a near-perfect 1.5 frequency ratio. It's literally physics pulling your ears back home.
Hate sheet music? No problem. Musicograms use simple lines and shapes to visually map out these exact sound structures instead. These colorful visual tools make it super easy for anybody to track pitch and rhythm just by following along.
You can even physically feel these harmonic rolls. Try a heavy chest tap for tonic or double clapping for the dominant. The crazy part? This one formula governs everything, whether you're crossing thumbs on a piano or shifting guitar frets. Grasping this simple foundation even empowers you to crush viral social media trends like those Duet Me open verse challenges.
So what do you say? Ready to use these tools? Start improvising and duet a track of your own today.